Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a true heavyweight cruiser, the 2026 BMW R18. Drawing inspiration from BMW's iconic heritage, the R18 blends classic styling with modern engineering to create a motorcycle that's as soulful as it is powerful. For 2026, BMW fine-tunes this big boxer to deliver an even more refined riding experience. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why the R18 continues to turn heads. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 R18 keeps its signature vintage appeal with long, sweeping lines, exposed driveshaft, and a teardrop fuel tank. Subtle updates include new paint schemes, machine detailing, and optional solo or touring seats. Chrome finishes and minimalist badging enhance its timeless look, while new wheel designs and LED lighting bring a touch of modern flair without losing the bike's nostalgic charm. Performance and powertrain. Power comes from BMW's massive 1,802 cubic centimeters air and oil-cooled Boxer twin, delivering strong torque and a deep, distinctive rumble. For 2026, throttle response has been smoothed, and ride modes have been retuned for better adaptability. The R18 features a 6-speed transmission with optional reverse gear, and the low-slung frame ensures excellent balance at cruising speeds or low-speed maneuvers. Safety and technology. While it wears a retro look, the R18 offers contemporary features like traction control, cornering ABS, keyless ride, and cruise control. A clean analog digital gauge setup provides essential info, and new connectivity options now include Bluetooth pairing for music and calls. Rider modes and enhanced electronics make for a safer, more enjoyable ride without tech overload. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW R18 continues to be a bold statement in the cruiser market, offering old-school character with modern confidence. It's a bike built for those who appreciate craftsmanship, torque, and road presence. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more in-depth reviews, test rides, and all things moto that matter.